Today we're making a delicious Chococino Meringue Torte. It's made up of 3 layers, a biscuit base, a meringue and a yummy chocolate filling. So let's start with the base. It's quite easy. We need some soft butter and some ordinary sugar, and we want to cream that till it's really nice and creamy before we add the egg. Right, now I'm going to add my egg and get that nice and fluffy as well. Add a pinch of vanilla essence, and now we want to sift the flour with about 10 mils of baking powder and a little pinch of salt. Right, now I'm going to use the same beater, and I want quite a soft dough, so this should work perfectly. Just let it beat until it comes together. You know it's ready when it pulls away from the sides and it comes together kind of like a ball, but it's soft enough and firm enough that I can press it into the tins. So that's ready. I've prepared 2 small tins, about 20 centimeter tins, and lined them with some baking paper, and I've sprayed them already so that they will come out quite easily. Divide this dough in half and spread it with your fingers, and you want to start with the edges because you want those to be the ones that are filled first. I'm going to use my little gadget just to roll it. So you want to bake these for about 10 minutes on 180 degrees and just watch that the bottom doesn't get too brown. So while the bases are baking, let's start with our meringue. We need them to be thick and glossy and like marshmallow-like. So it takes about 20 minutes. And I like to start with room temperature eggs. They beat much firmer and stiffer, and they beat much faster. So we only need the whites, but we need to keep the yolks because that's going to be for our filling. So we want to beat them first without anything. And once they've started beating, I'm going to add a pinch of cream of tartar and a little bit of salt. And I've got some caster sugar here. It gives you a very smooth meringue. So we're going to add about a tablespoon at a time over 20 minutes until it's really nice and thick and glossy. Right, I've added my last spoon of sugar. The mixture is beautiful, thick, glossy and marshmallow-like. And now we want to just add our last few ingredients, which are pecan nuts, a bit of vanilla essence, and just a pinch, about 3 mils of baking powder. And gently just fold it to combine it. I've already prepared 2 tins, so I'm using the same size that I made the bases in. And half will go in here, the other half into this one. Be careful not to spread too close to the edge because the meringue swells when it bakes. We want to bake on 180 for about 25 to 30 minutes. The last part is a delicious chocolate cream filling. We need to heat some milk, and then I'm going to beat some sugar and eggs till they're nice and thick and creamy. These are the yolks that were left over from the meringue. We want to sift the flour. It's about 2 tablespoons of flour with some cocoa and a little bit of coffee added. Gives it a really nice taste. So I've got about a tablespoon of coffee. Now we want to whisk these 2 together. I'm going to add a drop of milk just to loosen it slightly, and the eggs need to be mixed before we put them back into the pot. It needs to be on a low heat and takes about 8 minutes until it's thickened and kind of coats the back of a spoon. And now I need to cool it in a bowl in the fridge. Now I've whipped some cream, which I'm going to fold into the filling. It's going to lighten it and give it a beautiful, fresh taste. So we want to start with the biscuit base. It's quite easy to get out of the tin. A little bit of filling on this. Now for the meringue. More chocolate cream. And repeat the process until your last filling of meringue. Sprinkle it with a little bit of icing sugar to finish it off. And there you have it, a decadent Chococino Meringue Torte, perfect for a summer day.